Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung front load washing machine 7 kg. This machine having problem actually is not working at all. That means motor not rotating, also drum not rotating. The water taken to the machine, we can select whatever all the options, but machine not rotating, water taking and water draining also. The main problem actually is not showing the error message also. Now we have to check, we have to resolve this issue immediately, and we will try to resolve this. Now already given power connection, also water connection to the machine. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see here it is pump is working, drain pump. Now still drain pump working, water not taken to the machine still. Also inside having fabric, already I load the fabric. Now you can see water taken to the machine. The problem is motor not rotating. So I check actually by my hand, it is drum not got stuck, it is rotating already after giving power with the load. Whatever we after selections, only motor drum not rotating. Now what could be the reason? We have to check properly. It is the main first of all we have to check the motor connector continuity. After that only we have to go to the next step for the control board. Now you can see here it is 1 hour 03 minutes showing. This is the problem actually. If you are occurring the same issue, I will tell you what is the next step. I will tell you the secret how we can resolve this type of issues. Now we have to do one thing, just we disconnect the power. After that we will remove the back of the machine motor cover area. After that we can find out motor connector and motor carbon buses and all. After that only we have to check control board. Because of that we will go to the next step. Now we will remove the back cover. I can take it out. Now we have to check power. Motor connector is okay, no any problem. I will remove also. We can remove and check it is any shortage or not. It is already carbon brush having problem. I'm suspecting carbon brush definitely, because see it is everywhere. It's carbon brush parts. It's like a smoke going everywhere. Now bearing and seal everything perfect. Drum also rotating, no any noise. Now I will remove the belt here. Now yes my dear, you can hear the noise. It is definitely problem with the carbon brush. It is already gone. We will remove the motor first. After that we will check what is the exactly problem. It should be the problem carbon brush only. That's why it's motor not rotating. We will remove the motor and we will check. Now we can check the carbon brush. You can see here this is armature is too much. Yeah, it is no damage actually. This armature no damage, but we will remove the carbon brush. After that we can identify it is 100% carbon brush are gone. We will remove here. Yes, my dear friends, this is the problem you can see here. This brush gone already. Also other brush is okay. Now you can see here. Now we have to change the carbon brushes. After that we will change the both brush. After that our problem will get resolved. Now we can remove also here. Here lock, we can take it out from the lock. I'm going to replace the carbon brushes. This is new brushes. Also now I'm going to remove the old one. This one you can see here. It is already gone. This is as same the new brushes. Also other one. Also same, it is gone already, totally damaged. Now we can replace this one. It will come like that. It will come like that. You can fix. Also other one. This is, it should be the same cut with the carbon brush, otherwise carbon brush chance to go here and there. Because of that it should be the lock properly. Now other one also same. Now it is perfect. Now I'm going to fix the carbon brushes as same before. I will give the connection here first. Now this question already have come out. Now I can fix the screw. I have right. Now it's okay. Also one. Now it's okay. Now what I'm going to do, before fixing to the machine, I will give the connections, and I will select one option. After that we will fix permanently. 100% sure it should work now, but anyway we have to check before fixing. I will give the power connection also. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to select direct spin cycle. I select already 12 minutes is showing. Drain pump working already here. Could run. If it is not running, we have to go to the second step. Now you can see, dear friends, this motor is rotating properly. It's little bit it's noise coming from the carbon brushes. After it will come stable, it's not making abnormal noise. From the beginning it will come like that. Okay, my dear friends, now my problem actually already resolved. Now I have to fix to the machine motor. After that we will check again and we will fix now. Now I already mounted motor. I already fixed. Now I have to tighten 2 bolts. Now it's okay. Now I will fix belt. It is inside fabric, because of that very heavy. Anyway, I will fix. Now I fix already. You can see here. Now it's okay. Now again I will check the power. I will go for the direct spin cycle and I will start the machine. Now definitely it should run. You can hear the noise pump already working. Also inside fabric. Yes, my dear, you can see now. It is simply I replaced the carbon brushes. Our job already completed. Machine running without any problem. No any issue, drum, bearing, everything perfect. Now we'll increase the RPM, motor RPM. It will come up to 1200. Yes, it's okay. Now we will do one thing. I will shut down the machine again and I will go for the wash cycle. And I will select daily wash and we will start the machine. Now you can see, dear friends, the water already taken into the machine. Now machine running, no any problem. See, it is machine running without any problem. Still water taken to the machine. Now machine is running well, no any problem. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. If you occur in the same issue, don't be a panic. Just you have to, whatever from the beginning, you have to check A to Z. Don't try to troubleshoot the problem in the middle. You have to go from the starting. Because of that, now I resolve this issue. Only the carbon brushes I replace. Machine running well. Thanks for watching my channel. Again, we will meet with another video.